Okay, so today we're going to learn about the 8 parts of speech. And each of these parts of speech are used in a sentence. Every word in a sentence, it has a part of speech. So we have 8. Verb, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. And we'll talk about each one of those more, just one at a time. But I have the word in Spanish too. Verbo, nombre, pronombre, adjetivo, adverbio, preposición, conjunción, interjection. So you know the words in Spanish, and do you know how to explain what a nombre is?
Que, o sea, lo sustancial de una oración, o cómo.
Yeah, can you explain to me in English
Okay, I'm explaining.
what a nombre is, or a noun?
¿Cómo? No.
¿Ha estudiado gramática en español?
Sí, pero no son muchos años.
Okay, yeah, so it's been a long time since you studied Spanish.
Mucho.
And so this is the same, a lot of things are the same in Spanish and in English, but since it's been a while, we'll go ahead and review on what a verb is, a noun, a pronoun, adjective. And we're going to use the English words, but the Spanish words are here for you to help you remember. Okay, so I'm going to say verb and noun and pronoun and adjective, and so on. Okay, so first is a verb. Okay, and a verb is a word that but a word that is an action or a state of being.
Okay.
So, verbo, acción o estado de ser. And so, this example sentence, I run every day. What is the action in that sentence?
El verbo es run.
Run, yes. Because that's not an action. Every day, that's just not an action. But run, does that make sense? Okay, so run is a verb. A verb. And this sentence, I am tired, where's the verb?
Tired?
No.
No, am?
Now this is a state of being.
Oh, okay.
Am. Yeah, so in English, some examples of verbs would be run, talk, sing, play, sleep. Those are all things that you do. Cosas que hacen. Okay? And in Spanish, verbs would be like hacer, cocinar, caminar. All of the actions.
Acciones. Okay.
And then, so we have the actions, and then we do have the state of being. So state of being is not an action, but it still is, I don't know how to explain it other than it's a state of being. And so, yo soy, I am,
Yes.
or he is, LS. So, no, those are not actions, but they are verbs.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Okay, good. And so next we have nouns. And a noun is always a person, place, or thing. Persona, lugar, o cosa.
Okay.
And so really we can look at everything in this room and it can be a noun. Like the clock, el reloj, noun. La pared, the wall, it's a noun. Agua, water, it's a noun. Okay? And so, if it's a person, a place, or a thing, it's a noun. And that is a lot of things. So, la escuela is a noun because it's a place, un lugar. El hospital es un lugar, and so it's a noun. Okay, the hospital is a place, so it's a noun. And then it can be a person too. So, your daughter, you say, my daughter is nice. Then daughter is a noun because it's a person. And then next is pronouns. And pronoun is another word for a noun. And so you say, my daughter is nice. Daughter is a noun. But if you take daughter away and say she is nice, then she is pronoun because it takes the place. Okay? So, un pronombre usado en lugar de nombre. Okay?
Como she, he.
She, he, it. So that you're not always like, my daughter is nice. My daughter is kind. My daughter goes to school. My daughter does. You can say, my daughter is nice. She is kind. She goes to school. And it helps. It's not so long. It's shorter. Más corta.
Cortito, sí.
Yeah.
Que hija.
And so in this sentence, my grandfather is kind. That is a noun. Okay, grandfather. And then in this sentence, he is kind. He is a pronoun because he means grandfather.
He.
And Sally is at the mall.
Sally.
Okay, Sally is a noun, and mall is a noun too. Because it's a place, lugar.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
remember? Good.
Yeah, I remember.
So, Sally is there. There means mall, so there is pronoun. And Sally is still
Sally
noun. We
too,
could have
yeah.
said she is there. We'd have two pronouns.
Yeah.
She is there.
there.
And then Joe wants a new phone. Where are the nouns?
Joe.
Joe is a noun. One more.
And
Person, place, or thing.
A.
No.
No,
What is a person, place, or thing?
The phone.
Phone. Because it's a thing. Teléfono es una cosa.
Sí, teléfono.
Okay?
Sí, porque no hay lugar.
And then Joe wants it.
Joe is the noun. And it.
It is a pronoun.
It.
Because it means phone. Joe wants a new phone. Joe wants it.
it.
Okay? And we could say he wants it. And we
He
have
wants
two pronouns. Okay? Good. Next is adjective. Adjective modifies a noun, which means describe. So, modifica o describe, okay? Un nombre. And answers the question, what kind, which one, how many. Okay? And if you remember our questions, for what, which, and how, you know that it's que, cuál, cuántos. Okay? So it's good to know those. See, there they are.
Okay.
Already. So, an adjective describes a noun. Okay? Modifica un nombre, contesta las preguntas qué tipo, cuál, cuántos.
Okay.
So, in this sentence, the Christmas tree is tall. You can say, tree is, where's the noun? What's the noun? Person, place, thing.
Christmas.
Okay, no.
No?
Not in this sentence. In this sentence, Christmas describes a different word. What kind
El árbol, ¿no? Tree.
Tree, yeah. Tree is a noun. And Christmas describes what kind of tree. ¿Qué tipo de árbol? Christmas. So, here we say, ¿qué tipo? That's es un adjetivo. Christmas. Okay? And then we have tall. The Christmas tree is tall. So, ¿qué tipo de árbol?
Alto, grande.
A tall. Tall es otra manera para describir el árbol, which is the noun, okay? So, Christmas describes tree, and tall describes tree. Because tree is the noun, these are adjectives. Does that make sense? Okay, good. And so this sentence, the purple pillow is soft. Where's the noun?
Pillow.
Pillow. Good. You're doing so good.
Soft.
Soft. Yeah, what? ¿Qué tipo de pillow?
Porque es
Mhm.
qué tipo.
Soft.
Es
Good.
suave.
And there's another adjective.
Color.
The color. Purple.
Mhm.
Yeah. Good. And so you can draw arrows to point which.
Sí, sí.
And so, how about you do this next one?
I
want one hamburger.
uh,
You can use this pencil here to mark it.
I want one hamburger. ¿Qué tipo? Hamburguesa. ¿Sí?
Well, where is the noun? I want one hamburger.
I want one. I want is one.
No.
No.
Want is verbo.
Verbo.
Okay.
En I es verbo, tú. Entonces es one.
No.
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 Sorry.
Okay, so, no, it's okay. So, hamburger is a noun because it's una cosa.
Una cosa,
¿Sí?
sí, ¿no?
Yeah.
La hamburguesa.